Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two popular fitness trackers, the Fitbit Charge 4 and the Fitbit Charge 5 bundle. So if you're in the market for a new fitness tracker, stick around as we dive into the features and differences between these two devices. And as always, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. When it comes to design, both the Fitbit Charge 4 and the Charge 5 bundle have sleek and stylish looks. However, the Charge 4 features a slightly larger display compared to the Charge 5 bundle. The Charge 4 comes with a 1.4-inch backlit OLED display, while the Charge 5 bundle offers a full-color touchscreen display that works even when wet. Both devices are water-resistant up to 50 meters, allowing you to wear them while swimming or dancing in the rain. In terms of design, it's a tie. When it comes to fitness tracking, both devices excel. The Fitbit Charge 4 offers GPS, optical heart rate monitoring, and 24/7 heart rate tracking. It also tracks your sleep and provides silent alarms on your wrist. On the other hand, the Charge 5 bundle takes it a step further. It includes automatic exercise tracking, built-in GPS, and tracks your heart rate for active zone minutes. It even provides insights on your daily readiness and stress levels with its ETA sensor and mindfulness sessions. If you're looking for advanced fitness tracking features, the Charge 5 bundle is the way to go. In terms of battery life, both devices offer impressive performance. The Fitbit Charge 4 has a battery life of up to 7 days, or up to 5 hours with continuous GPS use. Similarly, the Charge 5 bundle boasts a 7-day battery life, keeping you connected all week long. When it comes to battery life, it's a tie between these two devices. Both the Fitbit Charge 4 and the Charge 5 bundle offer wide compatibility with various devices. They sync with Mac OS by 12.2 and up, iPhone 5s and later, iPad 5th generation and later, as well as Android 7.0 and later. The syncing range is up to 30 feet, so regardless of your device preference, both trackers will work seamlessly with your smartphone or tablet. And that concludes our comparison between the Fitbit Charge 4 and the Fitbit Charge 5 bundle. Both devices offer fantastic features and performance, but depending on your needs, you may prefer one over the other. Make sure to let us know in the comments which one you would choose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.